Hello guys, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tradingview to demo trade or paper trade. This video is for you either you're a beginner or an expert trader but don't know how to trade demo on Tradingview. You want to have it in mind that demo trading is almost the same as trading live accounts. Now, the only difference in between the two is the fact that in demo trade, you're not putting any money, you're not betting your real money. So either you lose or you win, it does not affect your bank account balance. It does not affect your account balance. I mean, your real life account money now. However, it does have a mental effect on you. Let me explain what I mean. By mental effect, I mean that whatever you do with your demo money is going to build up into your soul, into your mind to become an habit with you. So if when you go back to trading your live account, you're going to keep repeating some cycles in your life. Now these cycles are habits that are actually built up over the years through practice. So you want to treat demo with the level of seriousness, focus, and dedication and responsibility that you want to apply in your live account at the same time. So don't treat demo as if it just demo is nothing. Is no, no, no. Don't do that. By doing that, you're actually cementing a bad character into your soul. You know, a lot of traders actually complain of repeating some bad cycles, some bad habits in their trading career. They don't know why. Well, you have it right there. The answer with you is simply because when they were practicing trading, they were practicing some bad character with it. They are doing some stupid things with it. So it are built up in their mind, in their soul as a trait, as a character. So anytime they try to trade, they end up repeating that same habit over and over again. So now you as a new trader, as a beginner, you don't want to get yourself locked into such cycles of failure or bad habits. So start doing the right thing early, right? Now don't see after all just paper money, computer money, doesn't have any effect on me that I lose on me. No, it does have a mental effect on you. So it's all about how you see it, how you view it. If you see it the right way, you're going to have the right effect. You're going to have a kind of positive effect on you. So just apply the same level of discipline you'll have actually applied to a live account to your demo trade and you will make a lot of progress. You will notice that the same way that you're having your demo trade, you also have it in your real money. Why? Because you apply the same level of seriousness and focus to it. Now, I believe it's very clear to you. So let's start right away. Let me show you how to demo trade on TradingView. Once you log into your TradingView, you're going to have this on your screen, right? So either come down to the left, sorry, right side, either of these two symbols, click on them. Now let me log out my own TradingView account so I can be even on that. Cool. Now I've logged out my TradingView demo account. So now click on this. Either of these two symbols will take you to either this or that. Well, I love this so everything will be clear right there. Now you have it right in front of you. The next thing I want to do is to select TradingView. Now, what you have there are a list of brokers which you actually partner with. So I don't have interest in any of them. I want to demonstrate on TradingView, right? So click on connect and connect. Now, once you do that, you will have before you your account balance at the top here, your equity balance, and also your open profit. Now, this open profit is because I'm in a trade right now, hence you are seeing it. If for you, it will be zero. Okay. So that is it. So now you have your trading view with you. Now, if you want to set this balance to your own custom balance, which you can relate with, let's say it's very close to whatever you want to be trading as a live account, let's say 10K, 5K, so that you can apply the same level of seriousness and focus. Come to the left side right there, this part trading, click on this drop down symbol, and then click on reset part trading account. This first option, click on it. Once you do that, you're able to enter your own personal custom balance you want to trade with. Now, once you do that, you're good to go. Now, how do you trade with this fund money? Now, basically, there are um, three ways to um, do this. First option is once you log into that your demo account like I show you now, you're going to have these two symbols on your screen at the top left corner below your ticker name and symbol. So if you want to buy, you click on this blue symbol, then the amount you want to buy with, take profit, you set it right there, stop loss, these two set it right there, the price. If you want to enter market order, you can just click on buy straight away. If you want to enter, like let's say limit order, click on this limit order, and then the enter your entry price, the amount you want to risk, you know, yeah, right there, yeah, or you can want to enter it in percentage, big capital, let's say 1%. You can see it will automatically help you to set your stop loss sorry, your stop loss maximum amount you want to lose. So that is the first option. So this is for selling. You want to short sell the market. Very simple. Now the second option is, let me show you the tool. This prediction tool, trading view, this long position symbol. Click on it and drag it to anywhere you want to enter from. Then drag the red one to where your stop loss will be and the green to where your TP will be. Once you do that, then right click on it like this, then scroll down, this create limit order with it, click choose on it, and then set your risk amount 1%, 2 or 3% on how this risk percentage, then click on buy, and then it set the order for you instantly. And if you want to sell, same second two of it, these are short position two, same thing, just drag like that, same process, very easy and very simple. And you have it right there. Click on sales and everything. So now the third option is this. Anywhere on your screen you want to buy or sell, just right click like this, then click and choose click on trade, this option of trade, then click on sell or buy or create a new order, either of the two you want. So it's very easy. And now you have it. Let me show you what I also feel like you also need as well. You want to sell something, want to let's say set some settings on your own demo trade account, do some things, click on this symbol, then so come to this trading, you can see right there. So this is for setting your demo trade account. So buy and sell buttons, this is it. Click on it, it will disappear right from here. If you want to have it back, click on it. So instant order. So anything, just play with it. It's very simple, very easy to use. Just play with it. And if we come down right there, um under here, you're going to have this summary room. You can what to be displaying right at the top here on your demo trade account balance. You don't want it to show, or click it, equity, anything you don't want to have right there, anything. And then this for order history, your order, also the order history as well, your history, trading history, account history, trading journal, and everything. So just play with the tool, check it, apply it, and you're going to see that it's very easy to use, very simple and straightforward. I believe that TradingView did a good job right here. They did well with this tool. Believe me, it's very, very cool, very cool. So to recap again, let's say you want to trade them on TradingView, you don't know how to do that. Come to your chart, either of those two symbols, click on it. Let me log out again for you. So once you click either of the two symbols, click on always click on it like that, it will make it right there. So choose paper trading. You can see the TradingView logo right there. Connect, connect with it. So once you do that, then you have it. Your account is there with you. You have it. If you want to reset the amount they give to you, because normally they'll give $100,000 demo money to trade with. You don't if you don't want that, if you feel like it's too big for you to start with, you come to the right so the left side of it right there, and then click on reset paper trading account. So that way you're able to reset your account and you have it there, right, guys. Very easy, very simple. If this virtually help you, I want to see your comments. Let me know if it's help you. And if anything's not clear to you, ask your questions. I'm going to reply you. And also, if you want me to make more videos in the future on any topic you want, just drop the topic. I'm going to make videos on it. But remember that the higher comments on particular topic actually will influence which video I would make first. Okay, so very easy. And also, don't forget to follow me and also subscribe to my channel to receive my future video notifications right on your phone. Thank you, guys. See you next.